Hello and welcome to QuiteFitCo. Today, I'm excited to bring you the ultimate beginner's guide to the Keto Diet Part 1. But before we start, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on your keto journey. Don't forget to watch the video till the end to avoid doing any mistakes through your keto diet journey. With that said, let's dive in. Alright, now that you've subscribed and enabled notifications, let's embark on an informative and delicious journey into the world of the keto diet. As a quick recap, the keto diet focuses on high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake. By keeping your carbohydrate intake low, your body stays in a state of ketosis, burning fat for fuel. Now, let's delve into the specifics. We'll explore what foods to include and avoid, how to track your macros, and essential tips for success on the keto diet. First, let's get into what foods to include and avoid. When it comes to keto-friendly foods, think healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Incorporate quality sources of protein like chicken, fish, and eggs. And don't forget about low-carb vegetables such as leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. On the flip side, you'll want to avoid high-carb and sugary foods like bread, pasta, sugary desserts, and sweetened beverages. These can hinder your progress in achieving ketosis. Second, let's talk about how to track your macros. Tracking your macros is crucial for success on the keto diet. It involves monitoring your intake of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The ideal macronutrient ratios for keto typically include high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrates. To make it easier, you can use smartphone apps or online calculators to track your macros. You can find the link in description for your macros calculators. This way, you can ensure you're consuming the right amounts of each nutrient and staying within your desired keto range. Make sure you subscribe to QuiteFitCo so you never miss our tips, and if you are still watching the video, please support us by hitting the like button. Great, now let's continue. Now, let's cover some essential tips to help you succeed on the keto diet. First, plan and prep your meals in advance to stay on track. Hydration is key, so make sure you drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your routine. If you experience keto flu symptoms, don't worry, they're temporary. Give your body time to adjust. When cravings strike, find keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite foods. And remember, patience and consistency are key. Finally, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure you're on the right path. That's for today's video. The next video will be the Part 2 of Ultimate Beginner's Guide to the Keto Diet. Make sure that you subscribe to QuiteFitCo to be notified for our second part of Ultimate Beginner's Guide to the Keto Diet. Thank you for watching.